Hello to another important tutorial in SolidWorks. We talked before that we're going to make a tutorial on relations. So in this tutorial we're going to talk about relation in details. We talked before briefly, but now we're going to talk about relation. This is the next feature in the sketch menu. So let's start a sketch on top plane. And here we have the relations menu. You have display, delete, relation. If you expand it, you have another options as well. So now we don't have anything here. Let's draw some random lines. So we have two random lines here without having any relation or any definition or relation. So for that case, we can add the relation. So the relation, they are kind of defining some type of constraints in the sketch. So here, if you expand the display and delete relation, you have the add relation. Right now, if you go to the display or delete relation, we don't have any relation to show. So let's add relation first, expand, add relation. So now it's asking you to select entities. So let's select this line, and when you select that line, here showing you if there is existing relation. In this case, we don't have any relation. The relation available to us to make. So we have the horizontal, vertical, and fixed. So if you select the horizontal, you will make your line horizontal or vertical. So you cannot add them together because they will be over-defined. So delete first the horizontal. Now your vertical relation is working. So when you are done, click OK. So let's activate the add relation one more time and select this line. So we have these two lines are selected, and here you have the available relations, either to make them horizontal, vertical, or so if you select vertical, you'll make the second line to be vertical as well. I'm going to go to Control C, and I want to join these two lines together. So I'm going to clear selections here, try to find another selections. You can select this point instead of the whole line and this point. So we have these available relations. So we want the merge relation, and then you are done. So without closing, before clicking on OK, you are able still to add more relation. So let's add more relation between the origin and this point. So select this point and the origin. So we have these 2 points selected. We have the 3 type of relation we can add. We're going to select the coincident. So now we have the center point and this line are intersecting. So when you are done, click OK. Now you can go and show the relation, display and delete relation. Here you see the relation associated with point 4. So here you have the entities to select, and if you expand it, you can select all the sketch or some options or selected entities. You can pick all the sketch. You will have the vertical and the coincident relation available here in this sketch. So now you're showing your relation. Also, if you go here with the glasses, you have an option to view sketch relation. So if you activate it, your relation will be all the time showing here. And if you have many relation, it can be kind of not showing the sketch, real sketch clearly. You can deactivate them and let them work when you want. So one last thing, you are also able to delete relation. Here you can display our delete. This one is selected and you see it here on the sketch. Delete. Also you have other option, suppress. For example, if you select this relation, it's selected here, suppressed, and now you have this relation is suppressed. So that means it has no effect right now unless you're going back to activate it. So let's go back and display relation. So we have this coincident relation is suppressed. So uncheck this one. Okay, so your relation is back to work, and now you are not able to move it from the origin. Done. So let's show some other type of relation. Let's draw a circle. And okay, you can also add relation without choosing this add relation option. You can simply select that circle, control, select this line, you have it selected, and here is the tangent relation. You can apply it. Let's draw another circle. There's also another way, a faster way to do. You have this circle, select this line, and this small menu is appear. It's showing you some relation that you can add. So make tangent. Okay, so let's make another line here. Select this line, and here you have some of available relation. So if you make collinear, you have the collinear, and okay. And this again show the relation. Pick one of them, click delete, so you are able to delete from the keyboard as well. And again, you can move freely your entities. So I hope this tutorial was useful and that you understand more about relations, this important topic.